Here I am unboxing my 7-foot 5-inch pencil Christmas tree I ordered from Amazon. I have a 6-foot wider tree that I've been using over the years for the last 4 years, and I decided, I'm limited on space, so I decided to try the pencil. And plus I didn't want to go out into the shed to get it because I'm scary like that. Just kidding. It was more for space. My plan is to replace this with the tree. Put this bird of paradise in the garage and put the tree here. This tree comes pre-lit. The other tree I had didn't. I had to put the bulb, the lights around it. Also, this comes with gloves because trying to pull the branches out or separate it, it's kind of sticky. So itchy and stuff, so. Here I'm lifting all the pieces out, lay them out. Now which part is this? This has got to be the first layer. Now I purchased another tree, which I call myself purchasing a pencil tree. This don't look pencil. This looks just as wide as the one I have in the garage. I'm be pissed off if this is not right. I'm gonna send it right on back because I got it at Amazon. And if this thing ain't skinny, he's going back to the store. I have no problem boxing it up. See? Ain't nothing but pencil about this thing. It might be a little bit smaller. I'm not quite ready to put my tree up right now, but I can set it up and then decorate it later. So all this stuff. It's come with its own lights. So I guess before I go any further, I'm just going to take it over to its little location and set him up. Can you see me? I'm terrible when it comes to videography. This is my other tree that was sitting in the space. I had to put this in the other room. Okay, tree's going right here. I need to move this basket. I also have a tree collar. Problem is, if I put this thing together, and then I gotta put the tree collar, I don't want to go out and I don't want to do anything, to tell you the truth. I don't want to go out and get the tree collar. I might get another one for this. Donate the other tree. To be honest, I have to think about this because this really is just about the same as the other tree. I thought I was dealing with something that was much narrower. This is a 7.5-foot tree, As you can see, it's not that much space walking through here. Whereas last year I had a bigger tree, but somehow I made it work. So what am I doing wrong? I'm watching Sharon, she's so fabulous. Get ready to set up Fab Meal. But yeah, like I said, I'm quick to send something back. Let me try this first. Oh, goodness. Let's see, if it's too tall for my ceilings. My ceilings ain't that high. I'm not going to do any decorating because normally when I put my Christmas stuff, it's usually the day after Thanksgiving. And when Christmas, by the time Christmas comes, no, actually, yeah, sometimes Christmas, I'll take it down as soon as Christmas is over. And there's sometimes I'll wait till New Year's. But by the time, if I put up too early, by the time Christmas gets here, I'm over it. I want my house back. Yeah, it's a little bit narrow. I can see it now. I just wonder, is my tree collar too wide for this? Oh. Okay. Yeah, it is narrow and skinny. On these gloves are so I can pull these branches out because it does kind of mess with your fingers. And it's still tight. I have to move this over. It's not a little skinny living room, a narrow living room. Because the downside is to a smaller home. And to be honest, even this is too much for me. I'm sitting here taking a break. I have to sit down. I cleaned the bathroom, semi-cleaned the kitchen. I still have to mop the floors. I'm going to use my steam mop to do that later on. But yeah, I have to take a break in between. I have that big sliding door that separates the bedroom from my office. It's a lot of glass. So I also use Kim at Home's magic concoction to clean that, as well as the big mirrors in the bedroom, closet mirrors. So I have to do those, but I'm starting in one room, work my way, because sometimes when I clean, I'm all over the place. I need to stay in one area, finish that, and move on to the next, which is what I'm doing today. Now, this is another day because I did the living room, and then I was going to do some more, but I was tired. I don't want to overdo it. Then I also purchased, which I'll put it in here, see behind me, the Christmas tree, another one. Now it's a 7.5 inch Christmas tree, a pencil, basically a pencil screen. It's much skinnier than the other one. The other one is wider, and it's in the storage shed out back. And call me lazy because, like I said, every year I don't want to. Every year I don't feel like decorating. At least that's what I tell myself, but I end up doing it anyway. But yeah, I convinced myself I'm not going to do it, even though I still have plenty of time. But also, I decided I don't want to go out there and get that tree. There's 2 trees in a big tree storage bag out there. So I got another one from Amazon, which was like $40-50. The pencil is taller. So it's here. It's got lights. It's pre-lit. So that's another thing, because the other one I had to put, bulbs around it. So yeah, this one is lights up. I really don't have to put anything on it. I will. But I really don't have to. But looks like a lot of space. I look at here in the light, looks like a lot of space in between it. But once I put all my decorations on it and, dress it up, it should be okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Excuse that fan in the back of me because it got hot. So anyway, I'm going to take a little quick break, eat something, and continue on my cleanup. Here you can see I'm trying to fluff it up. And like I said, I'm not ready to actually decorate it yet. It has the lights, so it'll light up as if I had decorations on it. I still have plenty of time because I'm not going to take it down to put it back up again. So it'll sit here. I can see the skinniness of it now. As you can see, it's lit up and it changes colors. It has a lot of different modes on it. And right now it looks like it's been decorated, doesn't it? But of course, I will add decorations later. I will leave a link in the description area if you're interested in getting this tree. Now I am going to add some decorations for now. Tomorrow I'll have to go out in the garage and get the rest of them, but I had this I got from Hobby Lobby and I just threw it up here. As you can see, previously the lights were on and it doesn't look like it has decorations. The lights made it look like I didn't really have to add decorations to it. However, I'm going to do that. I stuck a bow at the top. Sorry about the light in here. It's terrible. But as you can see, this is about all the decorating that I'm going to do for now. Tree's decorated. I'll light it up later on. I just put these little stockings I've had for years here. These light up at night. I decided to arrange the chairs this way facing, and I turned the ottoman to give me more room to walk over there. Still going through stuff. I did a little thing over here. I got Santa crawling up the wall over here. And I hooked a couple of stockings around. Like I said, I'm not doing anything lavish. I should change these out. I got that little thing from Hobby Lobby. I stuck it down in there. And I got this little thing that lights up. But this thing, he used to press his ears and on his paws and he would sing, but I don't have any batteries in there. My reef is actually in the garage with all the other stuff. I have some cowbells here. I haven't decided what I want to do with them yet. And I have my poinsettia in here. I've had this thing so long, for many, many years, and it looks real. Then I added a different feature up on top of the cabinets. Little reefs. I saw this in something. I thought it was kind of cute, so I decided to try it. This one turned around. Let's flip you. Okay. I only got 4. I thought about putting one on each one of these, but I said that's enough. I don't need to overdo it. But yeah, this is my little decoration for now. So I put some of these cranberries in here. And Santa, I could light him up, but I don't even know where his plug is. Like I said, there's still a lot more decorations out, but I think this is enough. Oh, and I also did this over here by adding a few items here. And there's a close-up. And that's that. My boho Christmas decor. As you can see, I didn't do anything elaborate. I just threw a few little things in here. I mean, I could do a lot better, but I just incorporated some Christmas decoration in between some of our regular items, you know, and yeah, and maybe I might add some more later on. It's still early. Christmas is about a few weeks away, so I might do some more changes. However, I just want to wish you all, in case I don't come back on here, because I'm dealing with a family situation right now, and I have to leave for a while. And I have to go to LA and bury a family member. So I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.